Hi guys, and thank you for joining us here again at Black Stag Styling, where you join us with an absolute beast of a car in with us for the majority of this week to do some work on. It's an absolute pleasure to have this fantastic Nissan Skyline GTR R34. It is the V-Spec model as well. It's been imported from Japan by the gentleman obviously who owns it now. He is a YouTuber, which is I-Deactivate-MC. He does the gaming, so don't forget to check him out online. Get on his channel on YouTube particularly if you're into your gaming and into Minecraft. The reason we have it in with our good selves is, it's very nice of him to trust us to work on the car. We are going to be removing the seats, and he has supplied some NISMO leather seat covers to go onto all the seats. So we're going to be stripping out the interior, get these seat covers on, and then of course just give it a final sort of clean on the inside and return it to the gentleman to make sure he's happy with everything we have been doing. We're going to give you a little look around the car because it'd be rude not to give you some nice angles and a proper look round, a look under the bonnet of this beast, and then we're going to get it into the workshop. So in a moment we'll be rolling the intros, but let's have a little look around the car. Here we go.
Right, so we've got the Nissan Skyline in, and we are going to be fitting tailor-made new seat covers. Made by NISMO. They look quite a nice, good quality seat cover.
They do look rather smart. Make a big difference.
Really cool, aren't they? Yeah. I'm a little bit unsure at the minute whether we go over the old covers or under the old covers.
Customer thinks,
customer says over. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to try in a minute. I'll tell you. Come back in 5
We'll have a little look.
Yeah, that's it.
There's all the other bits. So this will be to cover all the seats. Not door cards though, is it? Not door cards.
Not door cards, no. But I'm probably going to get all. I've got the rear seat base out at the minute, and I'm probably going to get all the seats out to do them, so it'll be a lot easier out of the vehicle rather than inside.
Most definitely.
Most definitely.
Oh, most definitely.
I'll let you know how I get on.
Well, we'll be popping back to see how the filming's going.
Lovely car though.
Filming? No, the fitting of the seat covers.
Yeah.
Cool.
Straight on.
Right, so Ad's got the first seat cover on, and they are just covers that fit on from the back, and then you pull them all nice and tight. So they don't fit quite as well as a actual seat cover, but they're not too bad. Not too bad. Right, let's have a little wander around, see how Adam's doing. He's in here. Let's just getting the back part of the seat. Hello, pal.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
Oh, very well, very well. Is it coming out all right?
That seems to be. Yeah, I'm sort of pretty much there now, really.
Nice.
Yeah.
There's the other part.
A bit bigger than the other bit.
So the back, which bit you get is a base?
So this is the backrest.
Yeah, that's the backrest.
This is the backrest. That's the back base. It's all about the base.
All about the best.
The crescent's not big enough. Look.
There we go. Before and after pictures. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice. Right. Have some fun getting the next bit on.
Yeah.
GTR. We're going to see how he's getting on. He's now about to get the first of the front seats out. Let's turn it round and see how he's getting on.
Whoa! Whoa! That was crazy, man. How did you do that?
Woo.
Right, we're now getting the passenger seat out, as you just said. I have disconnected the battery, drained all the power, unplugged the seat, unbolted the seat. We're ready to pull it out.
We're ready to go.
I will, just before I pull it out, though, have a little look in the back.
Let's have a little butcher, shall
So
we?
the back seat covers are all on and in place. Look at them, how much better they look, rather than this sort of funny
fabricy stuff.
Funny fabricy Japanese 1970s style. But right, we did it out now.
He's got it covered.
Yeah. Got it covered, didn't I?
There we go. I'd imagine they're quite a light
grey. Yeah, they're quite light grey.
Light grey, light seat.
Yeah, no, they're quite light grey, really. They're not heavy. No, you're right. So here is the seat.
I'm going to go around the other way because with the light it's going to be able to see a bit better.
Right. Stay. So there's the seat. And this is the lovely new seat cover, look.
Nice Bentley in there, look behind you as well.
Nice Bentley there, yeah. And they don't look better, didn't they, hey?
Yeah, most definitely.
I mean, you can't...
Bit of NISMO styling.
Bit of NISMO, yeah.
They are just a cover. Hello there, pal.
Hello, mate.
I did nearly.
Right, we'll...
Let's hope they sort of fit on the seat well enough as well, because they are just a cover, aren't they?
Yeah, they are just a cover that goes over the top of this cover, so no need to remove this. Got a few bits to remove, the plastic trims. Yeah. And then we can start popping them on.
Lovely times.
Lovely times, hey? Take the seat, boy. You've earned it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Right, we're just about halfway through now with fitting these seat covers, and it's getting on nicely with the passenger side one. That's now just about ready to go back in the car. So don't forget, do like and subscribe to the channel. Please do subscribe if you like any of the stuff we do, as we get involved with loads of really cool cars and vehicles. Check out our website, Black Stag Styling, and we'll keep going with this one, get to the end. Not too much more to do now. Driver's seat and then a final check over, everything bolted in, and we'll be good to go.
Right, get on to it.
Right guys, that brings us to the end of another one of our lovely videos here at Black Stag Styling, and it's been an absolute pleasure to have this, let's face it, this beast in with us for what is not a massive amount of work, but yeah, definitely what we're doing professionally for fitting the seat covers. But yeah, what can we say? Nissan Skyline GTR, you know, proper iconic Japanese car. So yeah, been an absolute pleasure to have this in. Seats are all now back in the vehicle, all now done. Looking really smart for seat covers, they fit really well. Me and Ad have been really impressed with how they've gone onto the seats, bearing in mind they are just a cover that fits over the top of the original seat covers. So yeah, now all done, all back together. Please do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below, let us know what you think of this, any of the other vehicles we've done, what you'd like to see next. Check out some of the other videos on the channel as well. Don't forget to turn the old notifications on, you'll stay fully up to date with everything we're doing that way. Please do subscribe, it's a massive help to keep building our channel, keep providing some cool content. We're going to give you a last look around the vehicle to finish, because I mean, who's not going to want a last look around this little beast? So big thank you to Anthony for letting us work on his car, trusting us to carry out the work. We'll catch you again very soon for another video. Take care. See you soon.